Ever tried listening to music and felt like your headphones were just pretending to be good? Yeah, me too. That's why I picked up the FiiO DM15 R2R, and let me tell you, this little beast is like giving your ears a VIP concert experience without the overpriced tickets. Stick around till the end because you're about to find out if this thing is worth your precious earbuds money. So first off, the DM15 R2R isn't your average portable CD player. It's packed with a fully differential 24-bit R2R DAC using 192 precision resistors. Basically, it's a nerd speak for it makes everything sound warmer, smoother, and just alive. And unlike the chunky players of the past, this one is slimmed down by 2 mm, yet it pumps out 1150 milliwatts per channel. That's enough power to drive some serious over-ear headphones without breaking a sweat. Portable yet powerful, basically the smartphone of high-end audio. Wanna go wireless? FiiO did not skip a beat. With Qualcomm's QCC3095 Bluetooth chip, the DM15 R2R handles aptX HD, aptX Adaptive, you name it. You can stream CDs, USB music, or even use it as a high-end USB DAC for your PC. Pairing is smooth, switching devices is effortless, and honestly, I didn't have a single glitch the entire week I tested it. Now let's talk sound because that's the real deal. You get 24 sound effect combinations with bass boosts and 8 EQ presets. My favorite, the retro mode. It literally brings that nostalgic analog feel back, like listening to vinyl but without fumbling for records. Whether you're into heavy bass or crisp highs, this thing lets you dial in exactly how you like it. So should you get the FiiO DM15 R2R if you want a compact, versatile player that gives your headphones the respect they deserve? The answer is yes. It's powerful, flexible, and it actually makes music fun to listen to again. Honestly, my ears are still thanking me. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.